All right, we're here at Miracosta for a second time, final part of our stay, last 2 nights. Let's go check out our Capitano Mickey room with the 2 twin beds. All right, here we go. Oh, it feels nice to be back into Miracosta.
Oh my God, this is like heaven.
We have a closet here, which is nice because we can kind of tuck some of the stuff away.
Wow, it's bigger too. I think this is like the biggest closet. Usually if you make motion, it'll turn on the light.
And look at that wallpaper, how cool.
It's so pretty. That's adorable. And then you give some slippers and a little step stool for the kids. And then there is a safe on the wall.
All right, so over here we got our toilet, which as we know, is the fancy one with the telephone.
And these are my favorite toilets, I think, out of all the hotels we've stayed at. Every single place we've been, the toilet brand has been completely different. This one's my favorite.
Parks, hotels, everywhere.
Everywhere. Tokyo, downtown, like, it's crazy.
So you've got your main sink area here. Over here you've got a shower and tub.
And then we got the nice little amenities. Cup amenity kit with the hair tie, the Q-tips, and then the toothbrushes. All right.
Got your small station here. I forgot we got the waters, so we have 3 complimentary waters inside the fridge.
We will be well hydrated. They will all be consumed. It's all good. All good. And my little McDonald's frappe that was delicious. We went to McDonald's. And they brought our luggage for us to the room, which was so nice.
They did. They put the beds together to make it easier.
That was so kind of them. We've been sleeping in separate beds since we were at Toy Story, and they would not put the beds together for us. I almost fell off the bed a couple times, but this will be so nice. Look at the detail behind the bed.
Yeah, it's really cool. We have basically a standard view. So you'll notice that our view is not anything out of this world. It's what they call the Tuscany view, which just means you overlook a portion of the Tuscany side of the resort.
Still, it's really pretty. It's not bad. It's peaceful and quiet.
So this is our room. This is where we'll be the last 2 nights here in Tokyo. Last, we want to end with the ceiling to kind of show you what that looks like.
Wow. You got Merlin.
Ludwig. Blonde Drake.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to look. Okay, let's start over here so you can see the characters. I think it might be best if I walk in a circle. Wow. You know what would be really cool? If they had like LEDs in the ceiling.
Oh, and a fun fact that we learned about the air conditioning. The reason why they leave the AC so warm is the government tries to regulate the temperature, and they ask them to try to keep it in general for everyone in Japan at 82 degree Fahrenheit. So we put that sucker down.
Yeah, I think it's okay because we're visiting. We're not used to this climate. Our tour guide was telling us today that when people from Japan go to the US, they're not used to the cold air conditioning, so they think it's really, really cold, which is really funny. And then you've got this really cool map over here with a little Mickey. There's a little glare from the lamp, so you can see him there. This is a map presenting the unknown lands of the Western Ocean. So this is the room where we'll be for our last 2 nights in Tokyo.